just show your support online. Kung may mga protest tayo laban kila Marcos, kila Romualdez, lahat mga magnanakaw, you can always go kasi this is our country and tayo, kung hindi natin umpisan to, walang magbabago.
We love you.
Eto, pakinggan natin to si Kiko Barsaga, ha. Andyan pa si Chichester. Chichester ata yan. Eto yung napakabatang lumalaban para sa bayan, no? Matapang at matalino talaga. Para siya yung modernong Jose Rizal sa panahon natin ngayon. Kung si Jose Rizal naman, lumalaban gamit yung panulat niya. Eto si Kiko Barsaga. Nako, grabe. Ngayon ako ngayon ako nakasaksi or na-amaze ng ganito. Siya ngayon ang inspirasyon talaga ng
Sino yung mga
buong
dapat
bayan.
targetin?
Eto, panoorin natin to.
Okay. Paano ka namin masusuportahan?
Sa FB, just show your support online. Kung may mga protest tayo laban kila Marcos, kila Romualdez, lahat mga magnanakaw, you can always go kasi this is our country and tayo, kung hindi natin umpisan to, walang magbabago.
We love you, Kiko.
Sino yung mga dapat targetin?
Martin Romualdez and
Yes.
Martin Romualdez at si Bongbong Marcos.
Yes, yes.
Mastermind ng lahat ng yan. It's impossible na wala silang alam yan at wala din silang ginagawa laban sa korupsyon. Kaya sino yung magprotektan na lahat ng mga
Okay. Kung sakali mapapagsak yung gobyerno, sino ipapalit?
kahit sino basta wag lang si BBM.
Okay.
Lang sila.
Anyone except Marcos.
Wag.
Kahit sino, basta wag lang si Marcos because anyone, well practically everyone can bring a good future for our country except for Bongbong Marcos. Yun lang.
Thank you, Kiko.
Kiko, few questions. Do you think may magagaling resulta sa pagkalampag ng taong bayan?
Yes. Ngayon, everything. Kabuuan na ginagawa natin ngayon. So hopefully, hindi natin alam, but we always have to increase our efforts. Lagi natin mas gagalingan pa natin next time. We'll bring more people, we'll have more equipment, we'll make a larger amount of noise.
And may I know your opinion about yung pagbato ng issue mula sa paikot-ikot sa Kongreso and then sa Senado, tas ngayon, ibinabato ngayon sa ICI. Siyempre, frustrated na yung mga tao, nagbi-build up na yung anger. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga nangyayari?
Problema kasi dyan in terms of, in legal terms, ay pag lagi natin hinihintay or lagi nang natin hinahayaan sila, people will keep losing faith in the justice system. Kasi, ngayon nga, wala pang napapakulong and that's the very big issue here. If the justice system fails us, who can we depend on? And that's why we are here instead of just waiting for the courts to bring justice for us.
So if walang justice, tas mag-escalate ng situation, who can help us?
If the situation escalates, firstly, it will lead to economic collapse, and secondly, it might possibly lead to Mindanao secession, civil war, everything. There are plenty of potential downsides, potential chaos that will emerge pag walang nagbago dito. Kasi lumalaki na yung issue nakita natin sa mga ibang bansa, yung mga nagpo-protesta doon, yung mga nasunog na mga government buildings doon. And we're very close to that point. We don't want to reach that point. Gusto natin ng peaceful protest, we want positive change in our government without necessarily sacrificing any government structures.
How about the military? Do you think they can take over? Do you think pwede natin sila asahan?
Very possible, very good military kasi they depend on the will of the people. Once we show that the people are angry at the government, sila din ang mag-withdraw ng support. Ito ang nangyayari itong EDSA on the recent people power bill na wala siya.
Last question. I've heard na you wanted to be the House Speaker. What would you do to change the situation?
If I become House Speaker or to become House Speaker?
The leader.
Once I'm the leader, I'll make sure to imprison everyone involved. And kahit
Yes.
if that involves half of Congress, if that involves 100, 200 congressmen, then I will do it.
How about the change of constitution?
That's also very possible, pero ngayon, the Constitution, it will be a legal term. Ngayon, ang problema natin, our immediate issue, is the stolen funds and the pervasive corruption within our government. Any constitutional change will happen after that.
Okay. But do you believe or support in the death penalty? Kasi yung mga tao, I'm assuming lahat maraming naghihingi ng death penalty.
Yes, very supportive, especially for rapists, murderers. At ang problema kasi natin, we are one of the most populated, we're one of the countries with the most populated prisons. Yung death penalty, ba't pa natin hayaan mabuhay ng mga 20 years, 30 years yung mga nagmamanyak ng mga bata, and we can just kill them and save all the money that we would have spent on their food and on their cells.
Kung sakaling bumaba si Bongbong Marcos ngayon, ang office nila mahahalal si Duterte, ano palagay mo dito?
Well, anyone except Marcos, I'm pretty sure na siya naman ayaw niya kay Marcos, so I'm sure that she will be able to I'm sure she will be able to imprison those involved in the flood control kasi hindi naman sinabati ni Romualdez na niya po-protect ng mga Romualdez at yung mga congressman na gusto siyang i-impeach. So it's very possible that we will get justice.
Meow meow! Marcos, sana! Resign BBM now!
BBM!